Welcome to the online class of English Grammar for grade 6. Here I am a teacher, Mr. Snaula. I hope you will be fine. Today we are going to do work on pages 97 and 98 for the topics of demonstrative indefinite pronouns, and we will also study what is the agreement between pronoun and verb. What are demonstrative pronouns? These pronouns tell whether something is here or there. This and that are singular demonstrative pronouns. These and those are plural demonstrative pronouns. Here is one example for you. Hope it will elaborate the lesson to you. If any item or thing is near to you and it is singular, so you will use the demonstrative pronoun is. And if the same thing is far away from you, so demonstrative pronoun that will be used in a sentence. This is a flower, that is a flower. Now if two or more than two things are close to you, near to you, present, very accessible to you, so you will say these. Okay, these are flowers. And if the same things are not close to you, very far away from you, so demonstrative pronoun those will be used in a sentence. These are green flowers, those are green flowers. Page 97, exercise A. You will choose a correct demonstrative pronoun to complete each sentence. Write the corrected sentence on the line provided. Number 1. This or these is where the bicycle race starts. My dear students, you will not circle the demonstrative pronoun. You will write the complete sentence on the line given to you. This is where the bicycle race starts. Now the race is one thing, so demonstrative pronoun this will be used. That or those are riders registered for the race. Those are the riders registered for the race. The word riders gives us an indication about the correct use of demonstrative pronouns in the sentence. For the plural riders, we will choose those. You will write the complete sentence as your answer. Those are the riders registered for the race. Number 3. This or these still need to register. These still need to register. Number 4. That or those will be the most difficult stretch of road. That will be the most difficult stretch of road. You will choose the demonstrative pronoun that. Now we will do some work about indefinite pronouns for the next exercise. The words which are not specifying any person, anything or place, so those words are called indefinite pronouns. These indefinite pronouns can be singular, plural or both. For example, another, anyone, anything, each, either, enough, everyone, everything, less, little, much, neither, no one, nothing, other, no one, someone, something. So all these indefinite pronouns are used as singular. Okay, like anyone, we finally moved to another apartment. Okay, another, we finally moved to another apartment. Anyone, I swear I won't tell anyone this secret. Either one will be fine. Okay, so these words are called indefinite pronouns, and some indefinite pronouns are plural. What are those plural indefinite pronouns? Here is one list for you: both, few, fewer, many, others, several. So these indefinite pronouns are used as plural. Some indefinite pronouns are also used in both cases, like singular and plural. All, any, more, most, none, some, such. In order to get more elaboration and examples, you must go through all the sentences which are written before these indefinite pronouns. Hope this will make your concept more clear to you. Now we will do the exercise on page 97, exercise B. Underline the indefinite pronoun in each sentence. Everyone agrees as it is a perfect day for cycling. You will underline everyone in question number 5. Question number 6 on page 97. Each of the riders is ready for the race. Now each is an indefinite pronoun. Number 7. A few of the riders wear special racing gloves. You will underline few. And the last one, number 8. Everybody riding in the race must wear a helmet. You will underline everybody. Page number 98. This page we will study for who and whom. You will use who as a subject and whom as an object. Use singular indefinite pronouns with singular verbs, and you will use plural indefinite pronouns with plural verbs. The indefinite pronouns some, any, none, all, and most can be singular or plural, as I explained to you earlier. Exercise A. Correctly complete each sentence with who or whom, then rewrite the entire sentence. Jasmine is the lifeguard worked at the pool last summer. So for this sentence you will choose indefinite pronoun who. Jasmine is the lifeguard who worked at the pool last summer. Number 2. Dr. Gillespie is the physician my neighbor recommended. Between physician and my, you will use whom, not who. Dr. Gillespie is a physician whom my neighbors recommended. My dear students, you will write the complete sentence as your answer. Number 3. Plans to attend the meeting. Now this is an interrogative sentence. So as I told you, you will use indefinite pronoun who as a subject. Okay? Who plans to attend the meeting? Number 4. Matthew is the person you should study. Now what indefinite pronoun you will use between with and you? Yes, you will use whom. Matthew is the person with whom you should study. Exercise B on page 98. Read each sentence, choose a verb in parentheses that correctly completes the sentence and write it on the line. Everybody is ready to take the math test. Now everybody is a singular indefinite pronoun, so you will choose is. No need to circle, just write is on the line. Number 6. No one denies that Garledo is the best actor in the play. Now no one is a singular indefinite pronoun, so you will use denies as a correct verb. Denies, D-E-N-I-E-S. Number 7. Both of the scientists work at a major university. Both of the scientists work at a major university. Now both is a plural indefinite pronoun, so you will choose the correct verb work here. Number 8. A few of the volunteers are students at our school. A few of the volunteers are students at our school. So you will use the correct helping verb are here. So my dear students, today's our lesson is about the indefinite pronoun and how can you make a very good comprehensive agreement between pronoun and verbs. Hope this lesson will be quite clear to you. Here is your homework. You will revise these exercises at least twice. Thank you very much for attending the online class. See you next time with a new lesson. Bye bye.